Ninh explains, are you lonely? Overcome loneliness now. Do you ever feel that you're alone or destined to be alone? Do you not have any friends, except maybe for those teddy bears that you own? And do you feel alone even if you're completely surrounded by people? Well, you're not alone. Literally, 1 in 5 people suffer from loneliness worldwide. And that's a big problem, especially because it leads to depression and early death. Early death, guys! The problem is being made worse because we're spending more time online and less time interacting with real people. And the really sucky part is that when things get bad, you probably start looking at other people and saying to yourself, we end up suffering in silence where no one can hear us. The choice is yours. Do you want to be lonely or not? If you do, you can stop watching this video now. But if you don't want to be lonely anymore, if you're sick and tired of having these crappy thoughts and feelings, follow my advice. Humans are social creatures. We're designed to interact with each other, and we have a desire to feel that we belong. The aim of this is to be seen, heard, and valued for who we are, to feel that we're accepted. It's time to reach out. I know it's going to be difficult, and you may be scared for whatever reason, but it's your life. What do you want to do with it? Talk to people, friends, family, reach out and go and try new things. So let's find an activity where you can make that happen. If you've always wanted to dance, go for dance lessons. Meet people socially? How about speed dating? Want to lose weight and meet people? Join a fitness or sports class. Or just talk to random strangers in a coffee shop. There's literally hundreds of ways that you can meet new people. And if you tend to get lonely during birthdays and holidays like Christmas, plan it in advance so that you have something fun to do. The key thing here is that I want you to make a conscious effort and prioritize interacting with people. Prioritize connection and relationships. And once you've done that, turn it into a habit so that you can keep reaping the rewards of good positive relationships. I want you guys to feel good about the relationships that you keep. If you don't like somebody, that's fine, move on to other people. The idea is to make so much room for adventures, socials, experiences, and good times that you don't have time to feel alone and depressed. Fill your life with pleasure and purpose, and I guarantee you'll never look back. But you have to make the first move, so it's your life. What do you want to do? If you found this video at all helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Download my free ebook, visit my website, follow me on social media, and if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below.